What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now, we're looking at a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your F-150 lifted and put some new wheels and tires on it, take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to help raise it up and fit this bigger wheel and tire package underneath this truck. With your lift kits from Rough Country, you have 3 different options when you get one from them. You're going to have your strut spacer, which is going to go above the factory strut, and you have your extended strut, which is going to be completely replacing the factory strut. It'll give you some of that ride quality back if you have a vehicle that does have some more miles on it. I think your third option is going to be the Vertex coilover shocks, which is going to be the best ride quality option from Rough Country. So this tire is going to be a 35-1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is their hybrid tire. It's a mix between the all-terrain and mud-terrain tire, so it's going to give you the nice aggressive sidewall, the aggressive, more thicker tread, but it's also going to give you the performance of an on-road all-terrain tire as well, to give you that longer tread life and that quieter ride. So you do have a couple different options if you don't want to go with the Fury Country Hunter RT. You have your Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is one that we highly recommend. We also have your Toyo Open Country AT3 as well. So down here on the wheel we have is going to be a 22x12 Hostile Vulcan, and this one's going to have a mix between the concave and the deep dish look. So you're going to have about a 3-inch lip on this wheel, but then you're going to have your spokes go back towards the center of the wheel as it goes towards the center, and give you a little bit of that concave look as well. So with that -44 offset, you're going to get about total about 4 inches or 4 to 5 inches of wheel poke past the fenders, giving it a nice wider stance on this vehicle. This one's going to have that matte black look to it. It's kind of like a semi-gloss to this one, but you're going to have a couple different options. You have this finish. You also have your gloss black and milled finish, which is another really good looking one as well as many different sizes that this wheel comes in. Overall, this is a really good looking wheel that comes with the open lug, so you can run some spike lug nuts on this wheel if that is something you're looking to do. So overall, this is a really good looking wheel and tire package, especially for this Ford F-150. Either way, you can get this put on a lot of different vehicles, but if you want to get this done to your vehicle, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. Make sure you check out our 0% financing option, so you can go ahead, get your vehicle lifted now, and pay over time. So make sure you check us out at KritzCustoms.com.